Hi guys, welcome to this section of Quora Ads. In this section, we'll see how you can use Quora Ads. So let's have a look at what all things we are going to cover in this particular section. So we're going to start off looking at Quora Ads overview, how the ad formats looks like in Quora, and where does Quora Ads appear. I will also tell you why we are running ads on Quora and how you can sign up on this and open an account and ads platform on Quora specifically. We will look at the structure of the Quora Ads campaign as well, and then we'll see different campaign objectives and campaign creations, which will be website traffic, lead gen, video campaigns, conversion campaigns, app install campaigns. I will also show you how you can set up the conversion tracking for your Quora ads. And then we'll see what all custom audiences can you create on Quora ads as well, and how you can create lead gen forms, and how you can do reporting, which is data analysis on Quora ads. I hope by the end of this section, you understand how to use Quora ads effectively, practically for yourself and for your clients. So thank you once again, guys, and I will see you in the next video.